Information from the Ukrainian front line, day 619. Over the past day, 66 combat engagements took place. In the Bakhmut sector, the enemy unsuccessfully tried to regain the lost position near Klishchiivka, where defenders repelled about 10 attacks. The enemy also conducted unsuccessful assault operations in the areas of Bodanivka and Kromov in the Donetsk region. In turn, the Ukrainian Defense Forces continue their assault operations south of Bakhmut in Donetsk region, inflicting losses in manpower and equipment on the enemy and consolidating their positions. In the Avdiivka sector, the enemy, supported by air power, keeps trying to encircle Avdiivka. Ukrainian soldiers are steadfastly holding the line and inflicting significant losses on the occupiers. Thus, the enemy's offensive actions were unsuccessful in the areas of Stepov, Tonenk, Avdiivka, Severn and Pervomaisk in Donetsk region. Here, the defense forces repelled about 20 enemy attacks. In the Kherson sector, Ukrainian troops are engaged in counter-battery combat, inflicting fire on the enemy's rear. Over the past day, Ukrainian aviation conducted 9 attacks on areas of concentration of personnel, weapons and military equipment and 2 attacks on enemy anti-aircraft missile systems. Ukrainian forces have destroyed a Russian Pol-21 electronic countermeasure system. Quote from Tarnowski, a Pol-21 electronic warfare system designed to interfere with satellite navigation systems has been destroyed. Pol-21 is a Russian electronic countermeasure system known as an effective anti-drone measure. The system, created in 2016, is designed to protect strategic installations against high-precision weapons, such as cruise missiles and smart bombs, and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Pol-21 creates a dome that interferes with and suppresses equipment reliant on GPS and radio navigation systems. Powerful explosions were heard on the territories temporarily occupied by Russia between Novozovsk and Sedov near Mariupol. According to Russian channels, a munition detonated, but there is little information available. Subscribe to our channel so you can follow the latest events from Ukraine. Your support helps us grow and spread awareness to a larger audience.